Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see the OpenAI announced a competitor to the popular search engine that is Search GPT. Okay, so let's get started. So we all know that there is a popular AI tool called the ChatGPT where you can get any kind of content which you want with the help of AI. Okay, so let's see the ChatGPT. So you all have used this the chat GPT which you have used and any information which you want. And recently I have searched about this Indian startup overview. Okay, so anything. Okay, so anything you search on the chat GPT, you will get all kind of information related to that with the help of AI. Okay, so now this AI tool has come up with the new tool that is a search engine in order to give competition to the famous search engine. Okay, so that is search gpt prototype. Okay, so once you visit this particular site openai.com, so slash index slash search gpt hyphen prototype, so here you can see the search gpt prototype. So click on this join waitlist, because when it's a new feature introduced by the OpenAI, that is for the search GPT. Okay, so definitely it will be having some kind of wait list, because there will be a lot of people who will be willing to use this particular application. Okay, so the wait list is particularly for the people who want to use, like if you join for the wait list, probably within some days you will be getting the access in order to use the search GPT. Okay, so this is the new news in the tech world. Like OpenAI has come up with the search GPT in order to give competition to the most popular search engine. Okay, suppose if you want to join the waitlist, means you can visit this particular website openai.com slash index slash search GPT hyphen prototype, click on join waitlist. Once you click on the join waitlist, it will take you to this page, and you will have to sign up with your email ID and password. And if you are selected, suppose if you are given the access, because the in the initial state the access is limited, if it is selected you will receive an email. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.